Deandra Dottin, we know what.
Dottin. Well, I'll just have a look at the bowling. I'll have a look at it when the ball disappears over the fence. That's not what your opening bowler expects to happen.
These West Indians, they've got a lot of front, haven't they? Not frightened to tee off from ball one. This is what we like to see. This is incredibly entertaining.
This is T20 cricket. Diana Bay bowler, decent delivery. It's full, it's straight. Didn't swing too much, so she'd be disappointed about that. And they're just going to check that's fine. There's nothing more of that delivery. But straight and full. Go and chase it. And this one's almost as good a delivery. And Deandra Dottin makes it 11 off 2 balls.
He's up there with her strike rate. Destructive and disheartening for Bay. See how she comes back from this. Just 11 off 2 balls. This power play, quite astonishing. Just rocks back, uses the crease.
Wow, absolutely double wow. I'll go one more, that's a triple wow.
This is stand and deliver. Lovely shot. She looks like the pantomime villain as well, the way she's strutting. Fantastic cut shot, just rolls the wrists over it and has powered out the middle of the bat. Scooted away.
Rest in the circle. And the straight loft. Did you get all of it? She got enough of it.
Is taking full advantage here of this power play and dominating those 2 batters out there. Dottin, nice and straight, straight as you like. She's gone aerial, in complete control of that. Holds the pose.
And overcorrects. That's a terrific shot. Terrific shot from Division Kalari.
Anything loose here, drifting down leg, is just helped on its way by Kamari. Just seeing it well. If it goes for 4 more. That's 8 off the 8,
and it's going to be mega. Down leg, top edge, it's up. Someone's under it. Oh no, Sitarana Margus, she's dropped Dottin. Oh, hands on heads, it's heartbreak for the Tornadoes. That was the chance.
Lack of respect.
Completely dismissive. Just down on one knee. Carved away. Pulled hard. Just so much power in that base boundary.
This is in the air, and I think that will be 6. A great start for the over from Sitarana, but a great finish for Deandra Dottin. Third umpire will get a look at this. Come off the middle of the bat, little inside edge, but it's hit on the full. Ooh. Certainly hits the ground, but doesn't hit signage at the same time. Third umpire just checking that last shot.
The keeper, Katie Martin, showing all her experience.
Diana Bay back on the fence. Giving Dottin 1, and that brings up her half century of just 39 deliveries. The world boss has certainly been bossing them tonight.
She has. She scored an unbeaten 80 off.
That celebration, we're going to see a bit of that in a moment. Dottin shanked it. Chance at long off. I say she shanked it. Still knocks it all the way for 6 and wins the game in the process. Now they can dance. The Barmy Army get their second victory. They win by 8 wickets with plenty of balls to spare. 25 balls to spare. The biggest margin in terms of balls.